Attorney General Bondi now facing mounting scrutiny following the DOJ's announcement there is no evidence Jeffrey Epstein kept a client list or was murdered. The announcement coming after months of hints that new information was going to be released. The National News Desk's Jeff Harris reports.
Some are now calling for Bondi to resign over her handling of the files. For months, she promised the release of documents on Epstein, including a supposed client list she once implied was sitting on her desk. But the recent DOJ memo undercut those statements, fueling outrage. During Tuesday's cabinet meeting, Bondi fielding more questions about the memo, including being asked whether or not Epstein was an intelligence asset.
To him being an agent, I have no knowledge about that.
While Epstein conspiracies have run rampant for a while and his connection to the most powerful men and women are well known, his link to being an agent has been brought up before. In 2008, then U.S. Attorney Alexander Acosta gave Epstein a sweetheart deal for a worldwide sex trafficking scandal. In 2019, while serving in the Trump administration, Acosta was asked about Epstein being an intelligence asset after the DOJ released a report on that investigation.
I would hesitate to take this reporting as fact.
Rumors and intrigue also continue to swirl due to conflicting CCTV information. In 2020, U.S. prosecutors said jail footage was destroyed by accident. But on Monday, the DOJ and FBI released a 10-hour video recorded outside Epstein's cell door to prove his death was a suicide. But timestamps skipped from 11:58 to midnight.
The evidence prior to it was showing he committed suicide.
In response to the memo, several MAGA loyalists, including Laura Loomer, now calling for Bondi to resign. Writing in part on X, the American people in MAGA base will not tolerate being lied to. Conservative podcast host and Trump supporter Megyn Kelly also slamming Bondi over her handling of the Epstein files, saying her days are numbered.
So she's either lazy and incompetent, or she willingly humiliated some of the president's most loyal supporters.
Now, the memo is also likely to generate even more outrage from those who claimed Epstein's high-profile associates could be implicated in his crimes. The DOJ and FBI announcing no further charges are expected. I'm Jeff Harris reporting from Washington.